Ideal oils for skin. Incorporating the right oils into your skincare routine may be the key to unlocking your skin's full potential. Before we get started, please note that everything mentioned in this video is objectively fact-checked and reviewed by qualified health professionals. The best oils for your skin are those that boast a rich composition of essential fatty acids, vitamins, antioxidants, and other nourishing compounds. These oils promote hydration, maintain the skin's barrier function, soothe irritation, and combat signs of aging. 1. Rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed oil is the best. A natural elixir made from the seeds of wild rose bushes, rosehip seed oil has become well known for its amazing advantages in improving the health and appearance of the skin. This golden oil is brimming with nutrients and antioxidants that do wonders for a variety of skin issues. Rich in essential fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6, as well as vitamins A and C, this oil helps to improve skin elasticity, tone, and texture. It also promotes the regeneration of skin cells, which can lessen the appearance of scars, fine lines, and wrinkles, giving the skin a more youthful and radiant appearance. 2. Argan oil. Second place, argan oil. Argan oil, also known as liquid gold, is a natural oil made from the kernels of the argan tree, which is a Moroccan native and offers a wealth of benefits for the skin. In addition to having exceptional moisturizing properties, it also contains essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins that support skin health. Argan oil has amazing skin nourishing and moisturizing properties. It absorbs quickly, leaving skin soft, supple, and beautiful. The high vitamin E concentration of argan oil promotes skin suppleness and aids in the regeneration of damaged skin cells, minimizing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. In addition, argan oil contains anti-inflammatory characteristics that make it advantageous for people with acne-prone skin or sensitive skin because it helps to reduce redness, relieve irritation, and promote a clearer complexion. Additionally, the antioxidants in argan oil shield the skin from environmental harm, including pollution and sun exposure. 3. Jojoba oil. Third place, jojoba oil. When applied topically, jojoba oil forms a non-greasy, lightweight barrier on the skin, locking in moisture and preventing dehydration. This makes it suitable for all skin types, including oily and acne-prone skin. Jojoba oil's distinctive composition closely resembles the sebum produced by our own skin, making it an excellent moisturizer and protector. Apart from moisturizing, jojoba oil has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that can calm irritated skin, alleviate redness, and provide relief for conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Additionally, jojoba oil's antibacterial qualities make it effective in combating acne-causing bacteria and reducing breakouts. Jojoba oil is simple to use. It may be blended with other skincare products like moisturizers or serums before being applied directly to the skin. 4. Carrot seed oil. 4 is the newest. It is rich in vitamins A and E, which work together to promote cell regeneration, repair damage caused by free radicals, and improve overall skin tone and texture. Carrot seed oil also contains carotenoids, which give it its vibrant color and aid in protecting the skin from environmental stressors. This golden-hued oil is becoming more and more popular in the beauty industry for its remarkable skin-enhancing properties. 5. Lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is ranked 5. One of the main benefits of lavender essential oil is its capacity to soothe and heal the skin. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate redness, irritation, and itching whether you're dealing with acne, eczema, or sunburn. A few drops of lavender oil mixed with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba can help. Lavender essential oil is not only a delight for the senses with its calming floral scent. In addition, lavender essential oil is a powerful antioxidant that can shield the skin from the harm caused by free radicals and other environmental toxins. You use diluted lavender essential oil. Apply a few drops of your favorite face oil or moisturizer to the skin directly. Alternatively, you may make a calming lavender-infused toner. It's always a good idea to consult a dermatologist or skincare expert for the best guidance on which oils to use for your particular skin type and concerns. If you enjoyed this video, Please click the like button and subscribe buttons on our YouTube channel for more educational videos like this one.